Hey, welcome to Love, Live, Save. In today's video, I put together 10 really easy to do gain deals that will help you save a lot of money and stock up for your family this Saturday, January 28th at Dollar General. But it's really important that I mention that these deals will only work if your store hasn't already updated their register system. I'm going to keep posting the deals as long as I know that there are still people that have stores that have not updated their register system. If your store already has, it is totally okay. You can still do any of these deals. Your total will just be $5 more because the 5 off 20 coupon won't be stacking with the 5 off a 25 Saturday coupon. But they are all still really good deals even with the extra $5 price. But before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. You're awesome. If you're interested, the link is down in the video description. For a small membership fee every month, there are multiple different memberships and different benefits, including my couponing sticker club, my couponing planner page files, and my complete deals list posted every week. This week I wrote 100 deals, so it's a really good one. And it's super easy. You can either download it, you can print it off. Super, super easy. Like I said, the link is down in the video description. So let's get started. For our first gain deal, grab 1 bag of Gain Flings, 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, and 1 pack of Bic Soleil razors. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.50. But after all coupons, of course that includes the 5 off a 25 Saturday coupon and the 5 off a 20 gain coupon. That brings our final total all the way down to this $5.95 plus tax. Y'all, that is a total savings of $21.55. I do believe this is why I coupon. Our second gain deal is going to serve as a reminder to myself that I have to go down to my stockpile and grab a new tub of Gain Flings. But for our second deal, grab 2 Febreze Small Spaces. You can also substitute them for Febreze Air Effects if you prefer. Grab 1 tub of Gain Flings and 1 box of Crest toothpaste. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.80. But after all coupons, our final total comes all the way down to just $10.50 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15.30. That's almost the full price of just the Gain Flings alone. Now, speaking as someone that is just a little bitter that they still have a broken dishwasher and are having to hand wash their dishes, I'm super excited for this deal because it stocks up on a lot of dish soap. So for our third Gain deal, grab 1 box of Gain dryer sheets, 4 bottles of Gain dish soap, 1 can of Febreze Air Effects, and 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap. I am in love with that coupon this week. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $30.05. But after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to this $12.80 plus tax. That is a total savings of $17.25. That is a really great price to stock up on a lot of dish soap. Our fourth gain deal is a really good example that just because you don't have a coupon for it does not mean you can't score a great deal, although we've had several deals in this video that are good examples of that. But side note, why did we not get a $1 off Swiffer coupon this month? Raise your hand if you're upset about that. But for our fourth gain deal, grab 2 Swiffer Duster starter kits, 3 packs of Febreze Small Spaces, and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. Now, when we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26. But after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $8.70 plus tax. That is a total savings of $17.30. Y'all, seriously, like this out-of-pocket is so amazing. It is several dollars lower than just the full price of both packs of the Swiffer Duster starter kits, which makes everything else in the deal pretty much free. For our fifth gain deal, grab 1 bottle of Gain dish soap, 1 bag of Gain Flings, 2 packs of the 2-count Febreze Air Effects, or again, you could get the Febreze Small Spaces, and then 2 bottles of chlorine cleaner. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.20, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $10.40 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.80. That's a lot of great cleaning power for such a low out-of-pocket. Now, to take a quick break from the couponing deals, I want to let you know about my Couponing After Dark live chats that I do here on my YouTube channel. If you haven't been a part of them, they are so much fun. We work on couponing deals. We go through all the new coupons every week. On occasion, we do couponing themed games and I do giveaways. They are a lot of fun. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that when I do go live, you'll receive a notification. I'm trying to get back in the routine of doing them. My goal is several times a week, ideally 3, but I'm definitely trying to get back to it because they are so much fun. I highly, highly recommend you come. You will have such a fun time. So let's get back to the deals. For our 6th game deal, grab 1 can of Microban Spray, 1 can of Febreze Air Effects, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, and 2 packs of the 2-count Febreze Air Effects. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.25. I know that's a little high, but like I always tell you, that's why we have coupons, right? So after all the coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $7.70 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of $20.55. I know I said that in the previous deal, but that is a lot of great cleaning products for such a low out-of-pocket price. This is a great time to stock up. For our 7th game deal, grab 2 bottles of Gain dish soap, 2 bottles of the Gain Power Blast sprays. If you've never tried these, by the way, they are amazing. They do such a good job. Then grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners and 1 pack of Febreze Small Spaces. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.15, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $11.90 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $14.25 for this deal. For our 8th Gain deal, grab 1 bottle of Gain detergent. Moonlight Breeze is still my favorite scent. Like, leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite scent of Gain. Me and my friend Carrie are constantly debating back and forth. I'm a fan of Moonlight Breeze. She's a big fan of the original scent. Then grab 1 can of Febreze Air Effects, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, and 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.25, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $5.70 plus tax. That is a total savings of $19.55. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the low out-of-pocket Gain deals. They make my heart just oh so happy. Our 9th Gain deal includes an item that I am constantly forgetting that I can work into deals, so I'm going to start over the next several weeks, start making it a priority to work it back into deals because I know some people prefer powdered detergent over a liquid or a pod. So for our 9th Gain deal, grab 3 packs of Febreze Small Spaces, 1 box of Gain powdered detergent, the one that is $12.25, and then grab 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.25, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $9.95 plus tax. That is a total savings of $17.30. Now, keep an eye on this out-of-pocket price. Our out-of-pocket came down to $9.95, but the full price of the Gain powdered detergent is $12.25. But we didn't have a coupon for it, and we still scored a great deal. Our 10th Gain deal, grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, 3 cans of Febreze Air Effects, and 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.25, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $5.70 plus tax. That's a total savings of $19.55. I don't know about you, but I am super excited about this week's couponing deals for Gain. Some really great low out-of-pocket deals to stock up on a lot of stuff. And as I've been saying over the last several weeks, get our houses ready for spring clean because despite the fact that we received here in Ohio a snowstorm last night, I am choosing to tell myself that spring is right around the corner. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's Gain deals. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love it so much if you would just hit that subscribe button. I'm working on a rather large subscriber goal for 2023, and your help is so greatly appreciated. Also, while you're there, don't forget to click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any future deal videos, of which I'm trying to get in the routine of posting a video every day at 7 p.m., or I do one of my Couponing After Dark live chats, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.